Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap. And it's been a while since I posted my video, obviously, because of the market condition. I did not participate heavily into these market conditions because everything was selling off. And I took that opportunity to start building my portfolio with blue chip stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Netflix. So as they are falling, I'm just buying slowly, one share at a time or probably two at a time. So building portfolio is like my target is to buy 100 shares of each of those companies that I mentioned just a few seconds ago. Before jumping into the today's trade recap, let's take a look at overall market, what's happening in the market. So today we reached to recent all-time low around like 4200, and then we bounced back from there and we had a strong rally towards the upside. Now we will see this type of moves till Thursday. On think or swim, you can go to the market watch and see the calendar, and FOMC meeting is on Wednesday. But there is a major catalyst along with that, and that's this earning season or this earning week, where all the major companies are going to publish their earnings. So tomorrow we have Johnson & Johnson, GE, Verizon, American Express, Lockheed Martin, 3M, Microsoft, Texas Instrument, Capital One. And on Wednesday we have big names like Tesla, Intel, Levi's. Before market opens, there will be a Boeing, AT&T, Progressive. Also on Thursday we have Apple, Apple, Mastercard, McDonald's, Visa. So all these big companies are kind of like provide volatility that market needs in this condition, and probability that volatility pushes towards the bull side, but everything depends on the FOMC meeting. So let's see what happens over there. Now today we got a strong rally, as I said, but I don't know like if it is going to last or it's just going to be like a dead cat bounce, and then we will again sell off at this range 4361. As you can see, we have very less volume supporting that price action, so it can go in either way. If it goes to 4500, then we can say like, okay, there is a strong volume support is there, and we will probably see some kind of choppy action over there and move towards the upside. But that's just a speculative. Everything depends on how S&P 500 mini futures and Nasdaq moves. We will see some kind of like a V-shaped recovery play tomorrow, but obviously till FOMC meeting, but who knows what happens after that. And this is my Twitter account. I usually post all the things related to charts and trading. If stock is moving into the particular direction and if that chart looks good, I will post it over here. So if you want, you can follow me. But without any further ado, let's go into today's trade. So today I took only one trade, because in this market one trade is more than enough. If you know what you are doing and if you know where to get in, you are basically good with one trade. So initially when the market opens, we saw some kind of like a bullish hope that market will move up, considering last week we had continuous sell-off, but that didn't last long. All the way it was a choppy move, and since from 940 till 1020 we had that massive sell-off. And as you guys see here, this is a moving average crossover indicator. So when this indicator crossed over, this is a slow moving average, which is 26 EMA, and this one is a fast moving average, which is 12 EMA. So when they crossed over, it's kind of like a bullish sign. When slow moving average is below fast moving average, it's kind of like a reversal in trend and vice versa. So I noticed that also before entering into the trade. As you see here, we get this few green candles to support that trend, like, hey, this is we are going to move in the upward direction, and those green candles supports that type of price action. So based on that, I enter into the trade uh, on the drop of this candle and sold two contracts right exactly when it reached to this high. I couldn't catch the whole move in terms of price, but it was close. And if, as you can see here, I bought two SPY calls, 430 calls at 250 and sold it for 293 and 291. So average cost was 292 over there. So overall, I made around $84 in just probably 30 or 40 seconds. So that was a good trade. Then I closed my trading and I was just watching the price action. And this bull run was quite unexpected, because when we reached to this point at 420, I thought it's going to go towards 415 or 418 level, but we had a reversal over there, and from there we had a continuous nice rally going into market close. I hope we will continue that trend going into the next week, but let's see what's going to happen. Just take it day by day, take it slowly. Don't rush into trade with heavy position, because still direction is not there. Let FOMC meeting take place. Let's see what outcome we get from that meeting, and based on that we will see where the market is decided, where the market wants to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you again in next trade recap. Bye and have a good night.